Good morning, my dear students. Myself Poonam Goyal, and I welcome you all the students in online classes. My dear students, and now I will take you to the word of GK. Today I will teach you GK subject, and I will explain 2 pages today in this video. My dear students, first of all, take out your pencil and book, and whatever I am teaching, you have to write down, you have to fill it in your book and notebook. So come towards the book. Now my dear students, open page number 10 from the book. The topic is directions. The topic is directions. My dear students, we need directions to find our way. We need directions to find our way. The 4 main directions are the north, south, east and west. There are 4 major directions that are N represents for north, W represents for west, E represents for east and S represents for south. The sun rises in the east. Sun sets in the west. Now my dear students, we will underline the east as a fill up and we will underline the west also as a fill up. And in the same way, it may also come as the sun in the east and rises you have to fill up. And here maybe it is possible you have to fill sets. The sun in the west, then it may come as sets. Okay, both the things may come in the form of fill-ups. Now my dear students, all these 4 directions, you listen the news, maybe you read newspaper, maybe you listen the news on the TV. So my dear students, all these news includes all these 4 directions. News, N, E, W and S, news. N for north, E for east, W for west and S for south. So this news covers all these 4 directions. Now my dear students, come towards these fill-ups. See the map of India and complete the following. My dear students, in your notebooks you can paste this map. You can get this map from any other previous book, or you can get this map from the magazine, from the newspaper. You cut the map and paste it in your GK copy, and if you did not get the this map, then no need to worry, leave it as it is and copyright these points. Now let's come towards these points. Point number 1 is we have dash in the north. North में what we see, my dear students? We see N for north. And what is writing here? What we have seen here? There it is written Himalayas. So we will write here Himalayas. We have Himalayas in the north. Now the next is we have in the east. Now my dear students, see Bay of Bengal. We see Bay of Bengal in the east. Now the third one is we have Indian Ocean in the south, where you can see here Indian Ocean and S for south. So in the direction of south we see Indian Ocean. So we will fill it like that. We have Indian Ocean in the south. Now we have in the west. What we see in the west? We see here, my dear students, Arabian Sea. We can see here Arabian Sea. So we will fill here. We have Arabian Sea in the west. If, my dear students, you may be possible that you may not be able to see the spellings properly in this map. So there are the boxes, help box, and you can see the spellings here, and you can fill it in this fill-ups. Okay, my dear students, write down this exercise in your notebook and in your book. Now come towards the second page, that is faces of the earth. Faces of the earth. Our earth is made up of various landforms. Beta, what is landforms? Landforms means when we saw the mountain, waterfall, island, sea, desert, lake, river and these ocean, all these are called the part of our land. Say they. So my dear students, these are the landforms. These are the landforms. These are the part of our land. So they are the landforms. My dear students, here we did not see any detail. We are watching only these pictures. So my dear students, you can paste this picture in your notebooks. You may find out these pictures maybe in the map, maybe in the newspaper, maybe in any magazine or in your previous book. From wherever you got these pictures, you cut it. You can draw also. You can draw these. Maybe you can draw these pictures in your notebooks and write the answers in front of that picture. Okay, my dear students. Now we will see here what is written here, mountain, and here it is written D. Now we will see where it is D. D. Where are mountains? You see, my dear students. See. Yes, it is D. Means it is mountain. My dear student, what is it? Mountain. Yes. So in front of the mountain we will fill here D. My dear student, these spelling you can get in the exam paper in the form of jumble words, in the form of fill-ups, or you may see the pictures and you have to write the spellings. So learn these spellings properly. Now my dear students, the second is waterfall. The second is waterfall. Now my dear students, see where are waterfalls. See here. Where are waterfalls? See. Yes, it is waterfall. It is waterfall. So the point is, the number is F. So we will write here F. We will write here F. It is waterfall. Now the third is island. The third is island. Island that is surrounded by water. That is surrounded by water. So now where is island? Where is island? Where is island? Yes, it is island because it is surrounded by water. So we will write here A. We will write here A. Now the fourth one is C. C. Now my dear students, see where is C? Where is C? C. Yes, it is C. It is C. So the number is E. We will write here E. We will write here E. Now desert. Now desert. Find out where is desert. Where is desert? Where is desert? Yes, it is desert. So we will write here G. We will write here G. Now it is lake. Now we will see here lake. Where is the lake? Where is the lake? Find out. Try to find out lake. Try to find out lake. Yes, it is lake. It is lake. So we will write here H. We will write here H. Now river. R-I-V-E-R. River. So now we will find where is river. Where is river? Where is river? Where is... Yes, this is river. This is river. So we will write here C. We will write here C. Now ocean. Now ocean. So where is ocean? We will search. We will find out. Yes, it is ocean. It is ocean. So we will write here B. We will write here B. Now my dear students, you have to fill this page and you have to try to find out the pictures and paste it in your notebooks and write the spellings here. Once again I am repeating, these spellings may also come in the form of jumble words, in the form of fill-ups, and it may and in other form also you may see these spellings. So learn it properly and do in your notebooks. Now my dear students, open next page, that is plants and trees. Now my dear students, you see here so many pictures, so you have to write down the name of these pictures. Here my dear students, what you see here on the trees? Yes, you are watching here coconut. You are watching here coconut. So we will write here coconut tree. Now my dear students, see this picture. These are beautiful rose. These are beautiful rose. So we will write here rose. Now what you see here my dear students? Yes, these are sugar canes. These are sugar canes. So we will write here sugar cane. Now my dear students, see what is it? It is a beautiful picture of lotus. So we will write here lotus. Now my dear students, what is it? Yes, it is very sweet and lovable to the kids. You all like the grapes. So it is a grapevine. We will write here grapevine. Now my dear students, what is it? It is pine tree. It is pine tree. And the next is, what is it? It is maize. It is maize. M-A-I-Z-E. Maize. And now my dear students, you see, it is a very big tree. That is banyan tree. That is banyan tree. Now my dear students, you see the beautiful flowers. That are sunflowers. These flowers are sunflowers. My dear students, you can take the help of this help box and you can fill the spellings from this help box. The spellings are clearly mentioned here. You have to take these pictures from the magazine, from the newspaper, or from the previous year book, or you can draw the pictures in your notebooks and you have to write the spellings of these pictures in your notebooks. Now my dear students, we will come to the next page, that is fruits to taste. Identify the fruits and write the spellings. You know you like the fruits very much, I know it. What is it? It is pomegranate. It is pomegranate. Now what is it? It is mango. You all love mango. All the kids like mango. So we will write here mango. What is it? It is lychee. And what is it? Apple. There is also a proverb, eat an apple a day and keep the doctor away. So apple is very healthy food. So what is it? Apple. And what is it? Pineapple. So we will write here spelling pineapple. What is it? Watermelon. It is very good for health in the summer season. It is watermelon. And what is it? It is pear. It is pear. And what is it? It is orange. It is orange. And what is it? It is banana. It is banana. Now my dear students, you can take the help of the help box and fill the spellings here. You can draw the picture of the fruits, or you can cut the picture of these fruits from any other sources and you can paste it in your notebook. And you have to write the spellings properly in your notebooks and you have to fill the spellings neatly. So my dear students, now it is your homework to complete this work in your notebook and in your book both. Okay my dear students, so take care, have a nice day, bye.